Hi, I'm Arjun. In the next few minutes, I'll be showing you an app that will revolutionize the way you learn physics. The app is called Physics Tutor. On launching this app, you can see the home screen that will display all the units of physics. On clicking of any of the unit, you can see the lessons of that particular unit will be loaded. On swiping right, you can see the description page. On further swiping, you can see the Wikipedia page. On clicking of any of the lesson, the option screen corresponding to that particular lesson is loaded. There are three options. Let me show you definitions first. On clicking definitions, all the terms, laws and keywords corresponding to that particular lesson will be loaded. And on clicking of any of them will give you the definition of that. This app gives you access to about 170 plus definitions. The next great feature is for solving the problems. And it is called Formulae. It is basically an equation calculator that will help you to solve the equations in physics. For example, to solve the displacement of the wave, you can click on this particular wave equation and the calculator will load up on the screen. Any physical quantity can be computed in this calculator by just leaving it blank and by entering the values of all the known physical quantities. For example, to calculate the vertical displacement in this particular equation, I will be entering the values of amplitude, the wave number, the horizontal displacement, the angular frequency, and the time period. And I'll hit on solve. The value will be computed in a microsecond and you can see the value here. This result can be copied into the clipboard by just clicking on it. All the equations can be seen by swiping right of this particular formula, which can provide a great tool to view how the equation has been solved. Even this can be copied into the clipboard by just clicking on it. The next big feature of this app is called the graph. I'll be showing you an example in the classical mechanics unit under kinematics. On clicking of the graph, you can see the list of all the formulae for which you can plot the graph. So to plot the graph for, say, horizontal range of a 2D projectile, I will be selecting it. I can choose which physical quantity to be y-axis and which to be the x-axis. So I want to plot range versus angle. So I'll be selecting angle for x-axis. I'll be giving the range for x-axis from 0 to 90 degrees. The other physical quantities which are treated as constant has to be entered. And after entering all these values, you can click on the plot button and you can see the range versus angle graph has been plotted. Any physical quantity can be selected for x-axis and the y-axis, and the range can be varied. This app provides you an access to over 160 plus equations, and The axis can be selected for any of the physical quantity. Of course, the description and the Wikipedia page can be viewed even for any lesson. The app is optimized for tablet devices as well. The app is available for download in Google Play and in Windows Marketplace. This app has also been approved for Google Play for Education and is available for all the educational institutions across USA. I hope this app will help you learn physics in a more intuitive way and will make the learning more interesting. Thank you.